I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact membership details so you know what you must cancel and when. Open the Puregym app or your confirmation email and read the membership type, start date, and billing cycle. Once done, note any minimum commitment or notice period because that determines final charges. Make sure you have your membership number and the last 4 digits of the payment card. These speed up verification. This prevents surprises and prepares you for the next step, initiating cancellation. You now perform the cancellation through the app or website to get a timestamped record. Sign in, go to membership, then manage and choose cancel. The system asks why, so pick the option that best fits. After that, confirm the cancellation date and review any prorated or final charges shown. This is why you checked billing earlier. Make sure to read the confirmation screen and tap confirm. Once confirmed, the app should email you a cancellation reference number for proof. Finish by saving evidence and checking that cancellation is effective. You should get an email with a reference. Save it and screenshot the app confirmation so you have proof. If no confirmation arrives, check your spam folder and wait 24 hours because sometimes systems lag. Then contact Puregym support with your screenshots and membership number. If you still see payments after cancellation, first contact support, and only then involve your bank to dispute charges. This protects you and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.